Folks throughout the Pine Belt are starting to make adjustments for the cold weather coming in, and people are warming their homes and cars. But an animal doctor in the Pine Belt is saying don't forget about your pets.
Yeah, News 7's Kendall Green spoke with him about ways you can help keep your pets safe during these cold temperatures.
With warming our vehicles and homes during the cold weather, Dr. Paul Calhoun at the Animal Medical Center shares the importance of making sure our pets are kept warm as well.
One of the things we really want to make sure that pets have is shelter, especially if they're kept outside, so that they can be prevented from cold air. They do get colds, and they can get debilitated if they have an immune system that's not very healthy.
As common and obvious as the next one sounds, it's important that we don't forget it. Keeping our pets healthy and fed is critical as well.
Food is important, believe it or not. They need to have well-fed food because that's what produces the energy, and that's what produces their body heat to keep them warm if they don't have any other areas to keep them warm.
The doctor says pet owners can even create makeshift heaters for their pets if they're outdoors.
A light bulb in a small box that's very contained will produce a lot of heat when it really gets cold. Now, those days and nights don't necessarily get around here like that, but it's also important to remember that the wind chill really changes our temperature a lot.
But to avoid the cold weather altogether, bring your pet inside with you and the family.
The best thing to do is bring them inside, and then that way, our carport or something like that. But a lot of dogs these days live with us, so that's not too much of an issue because they live in our house and are members of our family.
When putting your pet in tight and confined spaces, it's easy for the small area of air to get contaminated, so taking medical precaution is strongly recommended.
We do recommend vaccinating for flu. It's not the same strand that you and I get or the ones that we vaccinate against for. So there is definitely one there for dogs, and we recommend that highly.
Reporting in Hattiesburg, Kendall Green, WDAM, on your side.
Again, you can check out the temperature in your area 24/7 using our First Alert Weather app. There you can find radars and the latest weather models and video forecasts from our First